Hello guys, in this one I'm showing you how to merge C and D drive without losing data. So because Windows cannot merge two active partitions on the fly without erasing the target partition, here's the safest standard way to do it. So if your D drive has program or game installations, moving raw folders may break shortcuts or registry paths. Reinstalling those few apps after merging is best. So also make sure that D is physically on the same hard drive or SSD as C, because you cannot merge two separate physical drives into a single one. Just go ahead and open up your D drive, select all your personal files, and copy them into a folder on your C drive. Then you open this disk management tool, then you just locate your D drive, right click, and then select delete volume. So where's my D? There's my D. And then delete volume here. Also confirm the warning. And then extend the C drive next. So find your C drive, in my case it's this one, and then you choose extend volume, right? So in my case it's unavailable because these are two different physical drives. Then a wizard, extend volume wizard will pop up. Click next. It will automatically select all the unallocated space freed up from D. Click next and let it finish. The rule here is that you can't select two different physical drives and try merging them. That's not going to work. That is it. Enjoy guys. If this helped, subscribe.